Children, have no tension, pay attention, learn with concentration to face your examination and pass with distinction successfully. Have no fear. Watch my channel.
Let us discuss one question on LCF. Here the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of the factory. Daily income CA is given like this. A number of workers is given, that is 50 workers. It is given like this. Convert the distribution above to less than type numerative frequency distribution and draw its ogive is given. Here CA is given. CA column is written like this. Next what we require Fi, it is given already. 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Now what do we need for drawing LCF curve? Let us find LCF. 12, 12 plus 14, 26, 26 plus 8, 34, 34 plus 6, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. So here summation Fi is 50, we understand. N is 50. But in order to draw the less than ogive curve, what we need? We need upper boundary. 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. Because these are continuous intervals. Upper boundary is directly written. Now what we want? Upper boundary and LCF, both points we require. That is x comma y. What is upper boundary? 300. LCF is 12. 350, 26, 400, 34, 450, 40, 500, 50. We made ready. Now we are going to draw the graph and find out median from it. Now let us draw the graph. We have taken xx dash as x-axis, yy dash as y-axis and origin. Now we have pointed like this, 100, 200, 300. We can take 50 also. It will extend up to here. We have to take compulsorily up to like 500, 600. So it takes more space, and here we will get a little curve as I took 100 from 100. And in the y-axis also I require like 50. So I am taking 10, 20, 30, 40, 10 units each. And we need to write scale immediately. How much we are taking? X-axis 1 cm as 100 units and y-axis 1 cm as 10 units. Now we are going to plot. See here in red, 12. So where is 300 here? In the x-axis here. And where is 12? So after 10th line, after 10, second line, that is 312. And next one 350. How will I take 350? In between 300 and 400. 350 we have 26. So after 20, 6th line, that too in 350. Next one 434. So in 400, where is 34? 4th line after 30. And 450, 40. 450 here it lies. Where 40 is? Here. 450 lies between 400 and 500, and 40 is here itself. 550 we have. So in 500 we have 50. We have got a short curve as I took 100, 200 like that. So we need to draw this curve like this. It is LCF curve, less than cumulative frequency curve, or less than ogive curve we can say. And from this, if we need to find out median, then we have to see about n here. What I got n here? N as 50. So n by 2 I need to do, that is 50 by 2, 25. And here in the graph, where is 25? I should recognize it is in between 20 and 30. So from there I need to draw a line where it meets the curve, and where it met I have to stop there, and I need to draw a perpendicular to the x-axis. Where it met the x-axis, the x coordinate, that is 350, is nothing but median. So median is here 350. We can verify by doing the formula here, L plus n by 2 minus CF L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H by identifying the median class here as it is 50 by 2, and we will be going like this 25, more than 25 whatever is there. Next is 26, so that is the median class, and L will be 300. Like that I can find out, and at last I will be getting 350, as already I told how to do this method previously. So we can verify like this, and this is the less than ogive curve. If we want greater than ogive curve also we can draw. Now for the same question, let me do GCF curve, that is greater than cumulative frequency curve or greater than ogive curve, we can say. So for that what we need? We need lower boundary. This is all same what we have done, but we need to find GCF that time. So what is meant by GCF? We have to add from down to up. So 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 8 I have to do, that is 24, 24 plus, doing 10 first, 10 I am writing in the same way. We will do down to up now. 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 14, 38, 38 plus 12, 50. As you remember, in the first one we got 50 here when we did LCF from up to down. Same way we will be getting 50, but these values differ. Now we need lower boundary and GCF. So what are the lower boundaries? 250 and what 300, like that. Here I have 250, and what is GCF? 50, 300, 38, 350, 24, 400 and 16, 450, 10. We need to point these in the graph. Let me draw. So here we need lower boundary, and here we need GCF. So let us draw. We have 250 and 50. So 250 here and 50 here. We are pointing in 250. 200 to 300 it lies 250. We have 50. In 300 we have 38. So 38 means after 38th line. In 300 we should see 38, that lies here, and 350, 24. In 350, 24 means after 24th line. Then 400 it is 16. So 16 means where it lies? After 10, 6th line. 450 it is 10. So in between 400 and 500 we have 450, and it is 10. Now the curve comes from up to down like this. We need to cover like this, and it is GCF graph when I have drawn LCF. Sometimes both curves may be asked in exam. So let us draw GCF curve also in the same graph and find out median from those two. How? Let us see. Here we have done a table already for GCF. You remember 250 and 50 we need to point. In 250, that is 200 to 300 middle, we will be taking 50 here, and then 338. So 300 we want 38 means after 38th line, and 350 we need 24. After 20 it is 4th line. Then 400 it is 16. After 10 it is 6th line, and 450 it is 10. So 450 lies between 400 and 500. Now we will join these two curves, and we will draw a perpendicular through it to x-axis where both curves met. It is nothing but 350. Median is 350. We can find out like this also. Median can be found in either of the ways. Either two curves we can draw, and we can draw a perpendicular where the point of intersection took place. The abscissa of the x-axis can be written as median. Otherwise, as previously I have shown, n by 2 can be found out, and we can point out n by 2 and draw the line until it meets the curve. Then we can draw the perpendicular and find out median. In either of the ways we can find out the median from the graph. Let us do some problems related to 2 marks or multiple choice, which are dependent upon mean, median, mode. Find the mean of first 5 prime numbers. If this question is asked, let us write first of all what are the first 5 prime numbers. First 5 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. I need to find out mean. So sum of the observations by number of observations. It is must to write the formula when it is given for 2 marks. If it is given for multiple choice, we can directly add and divide in the mind itself, and we can write it. 5. As 5 are there, divided by 5 I have done, and sum we have to do. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 7 17, 27 28 by 5. Or we can convert into points also. 5 is 25, 5 6 are 30. 5.6 will be getting, otherwise we can leave. Suppose the question is given, find the mean for first 10 natural numbers. We already know what are the natural numbers first 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Suppose first 10 whole numbers is asked. From where will we take? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We get only up to 9 there. What we need to do when we find mean? Sum of the observations by number of observations. Now let us find the mean of a minus d, a plus d. So what I have to do? Sum of the observations by number of observations. How many are there? 3. A plus A plus A, 3A. Minus d and plus d gets cancelled. It is 3A by 3. So 3 gets cancelled. A is the answer. The mean of a minus 2, a minus 1, a plus 1, a plus 2. So x bar is sum of the observations, a minus 2 plus a minus 1 plus a plus 1 plus a plus 2 by, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So by 5. Now here how many a's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 a's. 5a minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, by 5 it is a. It is very easy sum. Now let us see one more question like this. If the mean of 9, 11, 13, p, 18, 9 is p, then find out p. So anyhow we know that sum of the observations by number of observations is mean. So 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus p plus 18 plus 19 by, how many are there? 3 3 6. Is p itself. P is already given here. Instead of x bar I am writing p. Now let me add these all first. 19 plus 19 actually is 38. So 37. 37 plus 30, 50. 61, 70. 70 plus p by 6 is nothing but p. Cross multiplication should be done. 70 plus p is 6p, because we will cross multiply here. And 70 is equal to 6p minus p. 5p is equal to 70, or 70 is equal to 5p. Now makes no difference. Now what is p then? 70 by 5. So 14 5 is 70. Or we can do 5 ones. 5 4 is 20, like that also. P is what now? 14. Let us see few median questions. Find the median of first 6 composite numbers. Before doing statistics problems, we need to have idea about odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, and greater than any number, less than any number. These all are compulsory to be known before solving the statistics problems. Here we need to know first of all the first 6 composite numbers. What are they? 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Some children will be forgetting 8 or 9 and they will not start from 4. Actually the first composite number is 4. Then we need to find median. So here when we take this side 2 and 2, middle 2 are left. So average of 8 and 9, 17 by 2, 8.5 is median. First of all, we need to arrange in ascending order, but already we have taken first 6 composite numbers, so they are ready made in ascending order. But suppose if the numbers are not arranged in ascending order, if they are given like this, we need to compulsory write in ascending order first, like 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12. Then we need to find out median for this. Here also 3 plus 10 by 3, by 2, 13 by 2. Or in another way, when it is given for 2 marks, we can first of all find out n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is 6. N is 6, that is even. We have to take or find out the median value, like average of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. Average I will be getting as median. Suppose n is odd, if I get only 5 numbers, if only 5 are given odd, then median will be taken as n plus 1 by 2th term. That is, suppose 5 terms are there. Let us take first 5 prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 2, 2, 5 will be the median actually. So when it is given for 2 marks, what we need to do? N is 5. So median is n plus 1 by 2th term. What is n here? 5. So 5 plus 1 by 2th term, that is 6 by 2th term, that is 3rd term is the median. What is the 3rd term over here? 5. Median of 1, 3, x, 7, 9, 10 is 12. Find x, and the numbers are already arranged in ascending order, it seems. So as already the order is given like this, now we need to find x, and the median of this is nothing but 12. That means x plus 7 by 2 is 12. So x plus 7, 12 to 24. 24 minus 7, how much? 14 minus 7 is 7, so 17. That means we found out x here. Already median is given. We need to find x. Sometimes the question is given like this also. Find the mode of 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. If the question is given like this, all are equal in number. Some will think that we have trimodal, that is 1, 2, 3. All the 3 are mode, which they will think. But nothing is extra here. All are having the equal number. So mode does not exist here, because if all are having equal and nothing is extra, we cannot tell which is mode. Suppose the question is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4. Here 4 is extra. So we have mode as 1, 2, 3. Trimodal. We have 3 modes here. 4 is not having any other. It is only single. So we can tell 1, 2, 3. 3 are the mode for that. Suppose if they ask find the mode of first 100 natural numbers, then in first 100 natural numbers, no number repeats. So no mode. And what is mode? You know, the most frequently occurring element in the given observations, and that too we have to write in the ascending order in order to make it easy. But if you don't write in ascending order also, you can just tell how many times the number appeared and which is more in that most frequent element which is in it, we can easily recognize. One more example let us take. Mode of 1 3 5 7 9 2 1 6 7 3 2 1. So in these all 1 is appearing how many times? 3 times. You can write like this in order. Otherwise 1 is how many times? 1 2 3 times. And 3 is how many times? 1, only 2 times. Like that each number can be written, and most frequently occurring element is nothing but 1. So mode is 1. We can write for other also. 5 is given only once. 7 is given how many times? 2 times. And 9 is given how many times? Only 1 time. 2 is given how many times? 2 times. Like that you can just see all, and 6 is only once here. Like that you can see all, but mode is 1.